Question 1. What should you do upon approaching a divided road ahead sign? A. Prepare to stop as the road may end. B. Continue as usual, no action needed. C. Be alert for changes in road layout and adjust your lane position if necessary. Answer: C. Be alert for changes in road layout and adjust your lane position if necessary. This sign indicates that the road ahead will split into a divided highway, requiring drivers to possibly adjust lanes. Question 2. How should you prepare when you see an exit sign on the highway? A. Begin to slow down and prepare to exit. B. Signal and move into the exit lane well in advance. C. Ignore the sign unless the exit is your turn. Answer: B. Signal and move into the exit lane well in advance. Preparing early by signaling and changing lanes safely ensures a smooth exit from the highway. Question 3. What precautions must you take when crossing a narrow bridge? A. Increase speed to minimize time on the bridge. B. Be prepared for reduced lane widths and possibly yield to oncoming traffic. C. Stop before the bridge and check for clearance. Answer: B. Be prepared for reduced lane widths and possibly yield to oncoming traffic. Narrow bridges often require careful navigation and awareness of oncoming traffic due to limited space. Question 4. How do you safely merge with traffic when you encounter a merging traffic sign? A. Speed up and merge quickly without checking for other vehicles. B. Use your mirrors and blind spot checks to safely merge with the flow of traffic. C. Stop until the way is clear to merge. Answer: B. Use your mirrors and blind spot checks to safely merge with the flow of traffic. It is crucial to merge safely by checking for other vehicles and matching the speed of the flow. Question 5. What actions should you take when you see a yield sign? A. Come to a complete stop before proceeding. B. Slow down, check for traffic, and proceed when safe. C. Continue at your current speed as you have the right of way. Answer: B. Slow down, check for traffic, and proceed when safe. A yield sign requires drivers to give way to other traffic and proceed only when it is safe. Question 6. How should you handle an emergency vehicle approaching while you are in an intersection? A. Proceed through the intersection and then pull over. B. Stop in the intersection until the emergency vehicle has passed. C. Continue through the intersection without changing speed. Answer: A. Proceed through the intersection and then pull over. Clearing the intersection quickly, then pulling over allows emergency vehicles to pass safely. Question 7. What is the appropriate action to take if your vehicle begins to hydroplane? A. Accelerate to regain control of your vehicle. B. Maintain your speed and steer straight ahead. C. Ease off the accelerator and steer in the direction you want to go. Answer: C. Ease off the accelerator and steer in the direction you want to go. Reducing speed without abrupt changes helps regain control when hydroplaning. Question 8. How do you react to a flashing red traffic light at an intersection? A. Treat it as a stop sign and proceed when safe. B. Slow down but continue without stopping. C. Ignore it if no other vehicles are present. Answer: A. Treat it as a stop sign and proceed when safe. A flashing red light should be treated as a stop sign, requiring a full stop and proceeding only when safe. Question 9. What should you do if the traffic lights at an intersection are out of service? A. Proceed cautiously without stopping. B. Treat the intersection as a four-way stop. C. Wait for police to direct traffic. Answer: B. Treat the intersection as a four-way stop. When traffic lights are out, drivers should treat the intersection as a four-way stop to ensure safety. Question 10. What is the correct response to an oncoming vehicle at night with high beams that dazzle you? A. Flash your high beams to signal the driver to switch to low beams. B. Look towards the right side of the road and avoid looking directly at the lights. C. Turn on your high beams to counter the effect. Answer: B. Look towards the right side of the road and avoid looking directly at the lights. This helps avoid being blinded while maintaining visibility of the road. Question 11. How can you safely navigate a busy urban area with frequent pedestrian crossings? A. Increase speed to reduce the time spent in the area. B. Keep a vigilant watch for pedestrians and yield as necessary. C. Honk to alert pedestrians to your presence. Answer: B. Keep a vigilant watch for pedestrians and yield as necessary. Drivers must be especially cautious in urban areas to avoid accidents with pedestrians. Question 12. What steps should you follow if you are involved in a minor collision with another vehicle? A. Leave the scene immediately to avoid congestion. B. Exchange insurance information with the other driver and report the accident to the police if necessary. C. Wait for the other driver to make the first move. Answer: B. Exchange insurance information with the other driver and report the accident to the police if necessary. It's important to handle minor collisions responsibly by exchanging information and reporting the incident. Question 13. How do you respond when a school bus ahead on the road activates its flashing red lights? A. Overtake the bus before it stops completely. B. Stop as required by law until the lights stop flashing. C. Slow down and pass the bus cautiously. Answer: B. Stop as required by law until the lights stop flashing. Drivers must stop for school buses when red lights are flashing to ensure the safety of children. Question 14. What must you do when you approach a railroad crossing with flashing lights? A. Speed up to cross before the barrier lowers. B. Stop at least 15 feet away from the tracks and wait until the lights stop flashing. C. Continue at a normal speed if no train is visible. Answer: B. Stop at least 15 feet away from the tracks and wait until the lights stop flashing. It's important to stop and only proceed once it is safe and legal to do so. Question 15. How do you adjust your driving in response to adverse weather conditions such as fog? A. Turn on your high beams for better visibility. B. Reduce your speed and use low beam headlights. C. Pull over and wait for the fog to clear. Answer: B. Reduce your speed and use low beam headlights. Using low beams and reducing speed are key to maintaining safety in foggy conditions. Question 16. What is the safe following distance on a highway during heavy traffic? A. 2 seconds. B. 3 to 4 seconds. C. 1 second. Answer: B. 3 to 4 seconds. Maintaining a safe following distance during heavy traffic helps prevent accidents by giving you enough time to react to sudden stops. Question 17. How should you react to aggressive drivers or instances of road rage? A. Engage with the other driver to defend your actions. B. Ignore the aggressive behavior and keep a safe distance. C. Retaliate to assert your right to the road. Answer: B. Ignore the aggressive behavior and keep a safe distance. The safest approach is to avoid escalating the situation and to keep distance from aggressive drivers. Question 18. What is the legal requirement for using child safety seats in your vehicle? A. Child safety seats are optional. B. All children under the age of 8 must use a child safety seat or booster. C. Children can use seat belts at any age. Answer: B. All children under the age of 8 must use a child safety seat or booster. California law requires children under 8 to be secured in a child safety seat or booster in the vehicle. Question 19. When is it appropriate to use your vehicle's horn in a residential area? A. To alert other drivers who are driving unsafely. B. As a greeting to friends and family. C. When traffic is congested. Answer: A. To alert other drivers who are driving unsafely. The horn should be used sparingly and only to ensure safe driving conditions. Question 20. How do you check your blind spots effectively before changing lanes? A. Just use your mirrors. B. Turn your head to check the areas that your mirrors cannot cover. C. Assume there is no one in your blind spot if you do not see any vehicles in your mirrors. Answer: B. Turn your head to check the areas that your mirrors cannot cover. It is essential to physically check your blind spots by turning your head, as mirrors may not show all areas. Question 21. What should you do if you experience a tire blowout while driving? A. Continue driving to maintain momentum. B. Brake hard to stop the vehicle quickly. C. Hold the steering wheel firmly, gradually slow down, and pull over safely. Answer: C. Hold the steering wheel firmly, gradually slow down, and pull over safely. It's crucial to maintain control and not stop abruptly, which could lead to an accident. Question 22. How do you safely exit a freeway? A. Increase your speed to merge with traffic on the exit ramp. B. Signal, then move into the exit lane and decelerate gradually on the exit ramp. C. Exit directly from your current lane without signaling. Answer: B. Signal, then move into the exit lane and decelerate gradually on the exit ramp. This ensures you safely transition from freeway speeds to ramp speeds. Question 23. What precautions should you take when driving through a construction zone? A. Maintain your normal driving speed to keep traffic flowing. B. Reduce your speed and obey signs and any instructions from road workers. C. Use the left lane to pass through the zone quickly. Answer: B. Reduce your speed and obey signs and any instructions from road workers. Construction zones often have reduced speed limits and new traffic patterns for safety. Question 24. When is it permitted to pass another vehicle on the right? A. When the vehicle in front of you is making a left turn and you have an adequate berth to pass. B. On a two-lane road with both lanes moving in the same direction. C. It is never permitted to pass on the right. Answer: A. When the vehicle in front of you is making a left turn and you have an adequate berth to pass. This is a legal and common scenario for passing on the right. Question 25. What actions should you take after hitting an animal with your vehicle on a rural road? A. Stop and check on the condition of the animal if it's safe to do so. B. Continue driving and report the incident to local authorities later. C. Move the animal off the road if possible. Answer: A. Stop and check on the condition of the animal if it's safe to do so. You should also report the incident to local authorities. Question 26. How should a senior driver adjust their driving habits to compensate for decreased night vision? A. Avoid driving at night entirely. B. Increase the headlight intensity. C. Drive more slowly at night and ensure that headlights and windshield are clean. Answer: C. Drive more slowly at night and ensure that headlights and windshield are clean. This helps to maximize visibility and reaction time. Question 27. What are the key indications that suggest you should yield to other traffic at a roundabout? A. You have the right of way once you enter the roundabout. B. Yield to all traffic already in the roundabout. C. Yield only to vehicles approaching from your left. Answer: B. Yield to all traffic already in the roundabout. Vehicles inside the roundabout have the right of way, and entering vehicles must yield. Question 28. How do you handle situations where GPS directions conflict with road signs? A. Follow the GPS, as it usually has the most updated information. B. Follow road signs as they are specifically designed for directing traffic safely. C. Choose the direction based on your intuition. Answer: B. Follow road signs as they are specifically designed for directing traffic safely. Road signs are authoritative over GPS in terms of immediate road conditions and legal directions. Question 29. What should you do if you are temporarily blinded by glare during driving? A. Close your eyes briefly until it passes. B. Slow down and use your sun visor to block out the glare. C. Turn on your high beams to counteract the glare. Answer. B. Slow down and use your sun visor to block out the glare. Reducing speed and blocking direct sunlight can help maintain visibility. Question 30. What maintenance checks are critical before a long-distance drive? A. Checking the entertainment system functionality. B. Ensuring your vehicle's oil, coolant levels, tire pressure, and lights are all proper. C. Cleaning the vehicle interior extensively. Answer. B. Ensuring your vehicle's oil, coolant levels, tire pressure, and lights are all proper. Proper vehicle maintenance is crucial for safety on long journeys. Question 31. How do you determine the right of way when two roads of the same size intersect without traffic signals? A. The vehicle to the left has the right of way. B. The vehicle to the right has the right of way. C. Vehicles on the busier road have the right of way. Answer. B. The vehicle to the right has the right of way. This rule helps prevent confusion and accidents at unsignaled intersections. Question 32. What should you do when approaching a yield sign and there are pedestrians crossing? A. Stop and wait until the pedestrians have crossed. B. Yield to the pedestrians, then proceed. C. Sound your horn to alert the pedestrians. Answer. A. Stop and wait until the pedestrians have crossed. Ensuring pedestrian safety is crucial at yield signs. Question 33. What are the rules regarding cell phone use while driving in California? A. Handheld use is allowed for calls but not for text messages. B. Any cell phone use is prohibited unless it's hands-free. C. Cell phones may be used at stoplights or in heavy traffic. Answer. B. Any cell phone use is prohibited unless it's hands-free. This law helps reduce distractions and increase safety on the roads. Question 34. How do you ensure safety when your route involves driving over a narrow bridge? A. Increase speed to minimize time on the bridge. B. Be alert, reduce speed, and be prepared to yield if necessary. C. Use the middle of the bridge for extra space. Answer. B. Be alert, reduce speed, and be prepared to yield if necessary. Narrow bridges require extra caution due to limited space. Question 35. What should be your reaction to an unexpected natural hazard on the road, such as flooding? A. Continue to drive through quickly to minimize risk. B. Stop, turn around, and seek an alternative route. C. Wait for other vehicles to pass and follow their lead. Answer. B. Stop, turn around, and seek an alternative route. It's safest to avoid driving through flooded areas. Question 36. How do you adjust your mirrors to minimize blind spots effectively? A. Adjust so you can see a large area of the lane beside you. B. Adjust so that the side of your vehicle is just visible in the mirror. C. Set mirrors to cover the same area as the rearview mirror. Answer. B. Adjust so that the side of your vehicle is just visible in the mirror. This setting helps reduce blind spots by giving a wider view of the road beside and behind you. Question 37. What are the steps to take if you're involved in a traffic accident that causes injuries? A. Leave the scene to avoid blocking traffic. B. Check for injuries and call emergency services immediately. C. Exchange insurance information only. Answer. B. Check for injuries and call emergency services immediately. It's important to ensure the safety and health of all involved before handling insurance details. Question 38. How do you approach a merging traffic area when traffic is heavy? A. Force your way into traffic as quickly as possible. B. Yield to merging traffic. C. Adjust your speed to find a gap and merge safely. Answer. C. Adjust your speed to find a gap and merge safely. This helps maintain smooth traffic flow and prevents accidents. Question 39. What are the consequences of failing to obey a yield sign? A. A warning from law enforcement. B. Potential fines and increased risk of collisions. C. No consequences unless an accident occurs. Answer: B. Potential fines and increased risk of collisions. Failing to yield when required can lead to serious traffic violations and accidents. Question 40. How should you prepare for a drive in conditions forecasted to have heavy snow? A. Ensure your vehicle is equipped with snow tires and you have emergency supplies. B. Drive as usual. Modern vehicles are equipped to handle snow. C. Only drive during daylight hours. Answer: A. Ensure your vehicle is equipped with snow tires and you have emergency supplies. Preparing your vehicle for winter conditions is essential for safe driving in snow. Question 41. What are the considerations for driving safely on a mountain road? A. Use lower gears to control speed on descents. B. Maintain high speeds to navigate curves smoothly. C. Stop frequently to check your GPS for directions. Answer: A. Use lower gears to control speed on descents. This helps manage your speed without over-relying on brakes, which can prevent overheating and maintain control. Question 42. How do you handle a sudden medical emergency while driving? A. Continue to your destination and then seek help. B. Pull over safely and call for emergency assistance. C. Try to manage the situation while driving to the nearest hospital. Answer: B. Pull over safely and call for emergency assistance. It's important to stop driving and seek help immediately to address the medical emergency effectively. Question 43. What are the driving limitations in California regarding trailer towing? A. Trailers may be towed without any special considerations. B. Trailers over a certain weight require a special endorsement on your driver's license. C. Speed limits are generally lower for vehicles towing trailers. Answer: C. Speed limits are generally lower for vehicles towing trailers. This ensures safer handling of the vehicle due to the increased difficulty in maneuvering and stopping. Question 44. How should you approach a four-way stop when there are multiple vehicles at the intersection? A. The vehicle that arrived first has the right of way. B. Larger vehicles should go first. C. Vehicles on the main road have the right of way. Answer: A. The vehicle that arrived first has the right of way. This rule helps manage traffic flow smoothly and fairly at four-way stops. Question 45. How do you ensure you are driving safely when traffic patterns are altered due to road work? A. Ignore the changes and follow your usual route. B. Follow the signs and signals provided by traffic control. C. Increase your speed to pass the area quickly. Answer: B. Follow the signs and signals provided by traffic control. Adhering to temporary signs and directions helps navigate altered traffic patterns safely during road work.